One of the biggest problems we've had in ATC is tracking stock and keeping the stock levels right. We've started using Kanban cards. We were doing our own ones, but recently we joined with Gemba docs and we use them. It saves a lot of time creating the Kanban cards and they're all stored in one location. We were implementing them on our shelves, which was fine. And then we were looking at a way to do it in the stores area on our boxes. We have a fibre laser in our engineering department, talking to one of the guys in engineering, and they come up with this design, and all it simply does is it slides onto the box there like that, and then the Kanban card can fit in it. And so once levels get down to that box, the Kanban card is pulled, and then we have a location over here just for all modular build parts. And then once the part is ordered, the card then goes into parts ordered, and then once they come into stock, they go back onto the box or into the location where they are after that.